The science of resets. Why a small shift in perception can change your entire life. 1. Behavior doesn't start with discipline. It starts with perception. Most habits aren't logical. They're emotional. Your brain moves toward anything it perceives as comfort or safety. It moves away from anything it perceives as threat or discomfort. That means your behaviors are actually perception loops, not discipline problems. Reset principle. You don't fight what you do. You reset why you do it. Shift the meaning. The brain rewires the response. 2. Resets work. Because perception is a lens, not the truth. Your emotional reaction isn't caused by the event itself. It's caused by the meaning your brain assigns to it. Same situation, different meaning, different emotional state. This is why a reset can flip your reaction instantly. When you change the lens, your nervous system changes the feeling that follows. 3. Emotions are just meaning in motion. Every emotion starts as a story. Your brain whispers so quickly, you barely notice it. I can't stop scrolling. I always mess this up. I have to do this. These phrases aren't facts. They're outdated interpretations. A reset interrupts the story and replaces it with one that actually supports you. One that calms your body instead of trapping it. 4. The reset loop. Perception, emotion, action, behavior. Most people try to change the last piece of the loop, behavior. Resets target the first. Perception, the meaning you assign. Emotion, the feeling that meaning creates. Action, the impulse that emotion generates. Behavior, the pattern that becomes automatic. Change the meaning. Everything downstream reorganizes. This is why resets don't require willpower. The impulse itself changes. How a reset happens in real time. Every reset follows 3 neuroscience-backed steps. 1. Interrupt. Break the old pattern. A breath, a tap, a pause. Something that stops the autopilot. 2. Reframe. Shift the meaning to a new interpretation that gives you power. 3. Anchor. Link the new meaning to a feeling your body can recognize. Calm, clarity, control, confidence. This creates a new emotional default for your nervous system to follow. Resets work because they speak to the subconscious. Your subconscious decides. Then your conscious mind listens. Resets reach the subconscious by using sensory cues, emotional associations, felt experiences, repetition. The subconscious doesn't argue, it adapts. Once, meaning shifts, behavior rewrites without force. When you run a reset consistently, the old emotional trigger loses its charge. The new emotional response becomes automatic. The behavior naturally changes. You're no longer fighting yourself. Your brain is simply following its updated understanding of what feels safe or good. Reset the meaning. Reset the mind. Reset your life. For grounded, science-backed resets, you're in the right place. Follow for daily resets. Join the journey.